How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here, and today let's unbox OnePlus Nord. Well, I have been waiting for this device from a very long time and I finally got my hands on it. Guys, if you haven't already, then do subscribe to this channel because a lot of OnePlus content will be coming for you. With that being said, let's have a quick unboxing and I will also give you my first impression of this phone. So let's get started. Before we start with the unboxing, I just wanted to clear one thing, that I have actually paid 1000 rupees extra for getting this device and you will get to know why in couple of minutes. Opening up the box, the first thing you will find is the Nord itself. I have got it in marble blue color and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I just totally love this color. Now let's keep this aside for a moment, and the next thing inside the box is the another box which contains a special letter from the Nord team. Also we have a transparent case which looks quite decent, but I don't think I will be using it on my device. Apart from this, we also have some stickers, SIM ejector tool, red cable membership card and some paperwork as well. Now let's see what else we have got. It's a Type-C USB cable for charging which is in red color, not in blue or teal. And also we have the Warp Charge 30T adapter which will charge your device really fast. So that's all we have got inside this box. Now let me go ahead and quickly set up this device. As my device is setting up, let me tell you why I paid extra 1000 rupees for this smartphone. When I was trying to place my order on Amazon, the estimated delivery time was like around 15 days, which was quite annoying. I know there is a major demand for this phone, but waiting for such a long time didn't make any sense to me. So I went ahead and bought it from OLX dealer. I just had to pay 1000 extra for this device, but that's totally fine. I really wanted to make some videos on this as soon as possible. So that was my little story behind this purchase. Now coming back to the phone, it has already been set up and right away I can feel how smooth the device is because of the 90Hz refresh rate and a very clean Oxygen OS. It also comes with a brand new Snapdragon 765G processor along with 8/12GB of RAM and 128/256GB of internal storage. So you don't have to worry about the performance, it is going to be great on this device. On the back, it has a glossy finish and I really love this color. It looks beautiful. Apart from this, the build is also very good. It feels premium in the hand even though it has a plastic frame on the sides, but still you will not find it cheap. One more thing I wanted to check is the fingerprint scanner. I have never used OnePlus in the past, so I really wanted to see how this fingerprint scanner performs. Guys, it is really fast, and even if I compare with my Galaxy Note 10, OnePlus Nord fingerprint scanner works much better and you will not have any issues. Now coming to the camera setup, it has 4 cameras on the back, 48 megapixel primary camera which is the Sony IMX 586 and 8 megapixel ultra wide along with 5 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro lens which is of no use. Apart from this, on the front there is a 32 megapixel main camera with 8 megapixel wide angle lens. Guys, overall this camera setup looks quite promising considering the price of this device. Definitely I will be testing these cameras further and will let you guys know in my full review of OnePlus Nord. So that's pretty much it. My first impression is good. I really love how clean the Oxygen OS is and the 90Hz refresh rate does makes a difference while using your smartphone. Guys, I will surely be making a detailed review about this device, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.